morning, guys. Good morning. I have some tomatoes I have to go pick from my garden. Let me see. Yes, guys, we had so much tomatoes. I'm thinking, what should I do with these tomatoes? I have a whole bunch of peppers. Maybe I'll make some more tomato sauce. Last season, I did make tomato sauce and it was really awesome. So maybe I'm thinking of making some more tomato sauce. And the peppers, lots of peppers, guys. They smell really good. So I'm just gathering some veggies for my dinner tonight. I'm gonna be cooking some fresh eggplants again. I have to eat these eggplants, guys. So I'll be cooking some more eggplants tonight, along with my other stuff that I collected from my little garden. So please give this little video a like, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoy this short film. I'm proud of my little garden. I'm gonna pick these tomatoes. I need to pull up these potatoes. I don't have time today. Good. I think that's it for today. There's so many jalapenos. I'm gonna leave them so that they can get ripen. There's a lot of bees in this tree. Smells nice. Look how beautiful it is, guys. See the bees in there? This flower smells beautiful. But I'm afraid of those bees, guys. Here's what we collected today, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. We just collect some fresh veggies from our garden, our little backyard garden. So have a nice day, guys. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, like. Okay. I'm out.